Welcome back guys. In this class we will discuss that how to access our chatbot from anywhere in the world. Like you maybe want to access your chatbot from another city or from your friend's laptop. So let's see how to do that. For that we will use Ngrok. What is basically Ngrok? We give our URL to Ngrok. It is our private URL. So Ngrok generate a public URL. So when user do some request on this public URL, Ngrok will forward that request to our this private address. First of all, let's see how to install the Ngrok. You just need to copy these commands and you have to run these in this terminal. You have to paste here and enter. It will install the Ngrok in your laptop. After that, you have to copy this command. I will simply copy it. What this command do? This command add the authentication token of Ngrok in your system. So from where you get your authentication token, you have to come to this website dashboard.ngrok.com/get-started/your authentication token. You have to copy this token and simply you have to paste here and you have to press enter. I already did that, so my Ngrok setup is ready. After that we have to run our application that we built in previous classes. If you have not taken the previous classes, the link will be in description. After typing uvcorn main app host on this port is 8000, I will simply hit enter. So my application is ready. After that I will simply copy this command and paste here. Instead of port 80, I will type 8000. Why? Because my application is running on port 8000. What actually this command do? It is saying to Ngrok, hey Ngrok, my application is running on port 8000. You have to give me the public URL so that other people can access it. I will simply hit enter. After a while it generated the URL. I will simply copy this URL, Ctrl+Shift+C and paste here, and we know that we have to add /chatbot at the end. After that I will click on visit site. And here I will type admin and admin sign in. So you see that now I am able to access my chatbot by using this URL, the Ngrok generated. What you have to do, you just have to copy this URL and you have to send to your friend maybe, so that they will also be able to use this chatbot what you just built. So that's it for now guys. We'll see you in the next video.